Hi, Slightly Unblended. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing this look with the brand new Terra Cosmetics collection. So if you'd like to see how I got it and swatches, then just keep on watching. Hey y'all, I'm so sorry that this is so late, but I am doing a look with the new Terra Cosmetics collection. I'm going to start off with the Blend Bunny X Lens L2 brush and Umbrella, the beautiful purple, and I'm going to pack that in the crease about halfway and just kind of get that built up. I love this purple. It's such a gorgeous shade and so pigmented. I was so excited about this collection. It's really just so beautiful. So right now I'm just doing back and forth windshield wiping motions, but also like patting it into the crease just to get the shape built up. And I'm so sorry if I sound stuffy. The pollen has got me all kind of messed up right now. But I'm really just gonna work this up towards the arch of my brow and getting the shape, since it's kind of a like double cut crease, half cut crease situation. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with Apogee and just do back and forth windshield wiping motions and diffuse it. And this is such a really pretty pink shade. I really love how it blends the purple out. And I'm going to blend that out with Solar Maximum. This is such a vibrant, beautiful yellow shade, and the pigment, amazing. Sometimes yellows are difficult to work with, but I found this one to be pretty easy to work with, and it has such a nice formula. The whole collection, as far as the mattes, amazing. Now I'm taking a little bit more of Apogee just to bring it back, because blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. Just look at that pigment. Even going in and blending everything and losing some pigment, it's still highly pigmented, and they blend so easily. I'm mainly focusing on doing back and forth windshield wiping motions, and I'll do some patting motions as well just to get it built up. I'm going to go in and touch up Umbrella right now. I cannot get over how beautiful this purple is, especially because purple is one of my favorite colors. Now I'm taking a little bit more of Apogee and bringing it back and getting a nice beautiful sunset blend. I'm going to dip back into Solar Maximum and just bring it back a little bit. Like I always say, blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. Now I'm taking some micellar water on a Q-tip to clean out the crease and get ready to carve it out. And when I'm taking this Q-tip with the micellar water on it, I'm starting from the inner corner, and then I'm going to angle it up towards the arch of my brow. That way it just kind of has a nice little cut creasy moment. And I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime Eye Primer and start to carve out my crease with the nameless, infamous Morphe brush that I've had for the longest time. Like, there's no name on it anymore. I'm sorry. With the same brush, I'm going to take the shade Tidal Lock and start to apply that in the crease, like the outer portion of my crease, in like the outer V of my eye without making the V shape. So I'm going to take it and then I'm going to angle it towards the tail of my brow, just kind of flick it up there towards that tail of my brow. Back and forth windshield wiping motions. And now I'm going to blend that out with Triton, which is a gorgeous soft shade that's like kind of a soft blue. It kind of reminds me of like a sky, but with like cute little clouds. One of my favorite things about Terra Moon's Cosmetics matte formula is all you gotta do is a little tap, and they just blend together so effortlessly. I feel like their matte formula is like not talked about enough. Their mattes are amazing. And now I'm taking a little bit more of Tidal Lock and just bringing it back. Look at how gorgeous that blue blend is. Like, these two paired together, chef's kiss. Back at it again with the micellar water on a Q-tip, and I'm just gonna start to clean that up and get that really defined cut crease look. I guess this is a double cut crease look. God, I was supposed to have this voiceover on like two and a half weeks ago. Like, this footage has been ready. I've just been so incredibly busy and have not had time to work on videos, so I apologize, y'all. I'm gonna try to get back to it. I've just got some family stuff going on, and so that kind of has been taking my time that I usually work on my videos, but to me, my family's really important, so I hope that's okay that I've not been here for a minute. And now I'm starting to carve that out with the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Primer yet again. And now I'm taking Total Eclipse with the same brush, which I thought was pretty cool. Like, these shades blend out so easily that I just used one brush for this look. That's how amazing these eyeshadows blend. So, Total Eclipse I was super excited about because I did not have a like full-on black matte eyeshadow from Terra Moons. So seeing that, oh, I was so excited. It's amazing. I'm going to go ahead and start to blend that out with Umbrella and do like a little smoky wing moment. And now I'm going to blend that out with Triton. I tried really, really hard to use as many shades as I could. That's one thing that I really like to do when I get new sparkles and new eyeshadows to play with. I try to use as many of them as possible just to see how well they perform, give them a good like try and everything, and try my best to get creative. And I'm going back into Umbrella to touch it up. Like I say, blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. And now I'm going back into Total Eclipse to bring it back. Now I'm taking the Sigma E25 brush and some of my face powder to just kind of set my lid where that primer is, because it is trying to get a little creasy. So doing that, softening everything up and applying it there. I know I said it was one brush, but this is my specific for this powder brush, if that makes sense. Now I'm taking Lunar Cycle. It is absolutely beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite shimmers from this collection. It's just so unique, and the reflex in it, it's like holographic. And now I'm taking the Cliona DF04 brush to apply it closer to where I have the crease carved out. That way I don't just get it all over. I feel like this helps me to be more precise. Now I'm taking Earthshine, and I'm going to put it right in the center. Like, well, kind of in the center. Place it right over where I just put the other shade. And work it about halfway onto the lid. And again, I'm using the DF04 brush to get up towards the crease. That way I don't get too messy with it, because I want it to be kind of a cleaner, super sparkly look. Now I'm going to take Starbirth. When I tell you the shade, oh, it's so good. I love it. This is like my top 2 favorite from the sparkles this go round. It's so pretty. It's like pink, orange, yellow, shifty, purple. It's just a gorgeous multi-chrome. It's oh, it's so good. It's perfect for like a brow highlighter, inner corner moment, whatever. It's so pretty. And now I'm taking Rising Moon and I'm just going to pop that onto what is left of my lid. And this one is really, really, really pretty. So the one that I used second is the duochrome, I believe. And this one's like a purple, or not a purple, but like a blue pink shift. It's so cute. Now I'm going to take Arundel and use that for like my inner corner highlight, my brow highlight. It's so pretty. It's just such a gorgeous pink. It's like a light pink, but it also has like blue sparkles in it. It's so cute. Alright, time for some gems and pearls because I wanted to. So if you don't want them, then you can skip this step. Alright, I'm going to go to the rest of my face and I'll be right back. I just was really excited to do a look with this collection, so I might try to do every other week right now because I still do need a little bit of a break, but I'll get back to that here in just a minute. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you think, y'all? This collection, I know I feel like I say this for every Terra Moons collection, but it's so good. I love the pastels. Like, honestly, I feel like I could go on forever about how much I love Terra Moons Cosmetics matte shades. Like, it's like a little pat here, a little sideways, a little windshield wiping motion there. It just, like, they blend like butter, if that makes sense. Like, they just, the formula is so buttery. It's very easy to work with. It's so pigmented. They're just so pretty. So I was so excited that this collection is a little more matte heavy. Now, I will say, the shimmers, divine. I just, looking at them on my eyes right now in my mirror, I'm just like, yes, give me all the pretty sparkles. I wanted to try my best to do as many shades as possible from the collection because when I get new stuff to play with, I like to try to do that. And I know that I had a look that kind of had pretty much the same colors and almost kind of like the same thing going on, but a little different on like a Sunday. I don't know if it's going to be like a few days ago, if this is going up on Tuesday or if this is going up on Friday. Just kind of depends. I've got a whole lot of different stuff going on, so it's another reason why I needed a break. But I just cannot get over, like, I actually did use, like, from this look, the only shade I didn't use is the gray one. So I'm like, okay, alright, excited. I really like it. Also, I gotta show you my shirt. It says everything sucks, and it's got a cute little cow on it. I found it at Five Below and I was like, I really like that. So I was like, yeah. And it's so comfy. Sometimes just a t-shirt is so comfy. I'm sorry, I just put this nose ring in because this one is like a gauge up from my normal one, so it's a little sore and it's like moving around. I'm just like, what do you think of this look? Are you going to be picking anything up from this collection? I'm going to go ahead and put the swatches right here. Aren't they gorgeous? I love it so much. I'm always just blown away by Terra Moon's cosmetics. They're one of my absolute favorite brands ever. Ever, ever. Everything that I've tried has been just like top tier. Pretty sparkles, pretty colors, like super supportive, super nice. Just, I love them so much. I do want to say a huge thank you to Terra Moon's Cosmetics for sending this collection my way. I love it so much. Y'all always just have me blown away with everything you come out with. I'm just like, this is my favorite. And I'm like, no, this is my favorite. Everything is amazing. So I just want to tell y'all that I'm so excited. I am always the most excited to see when y'all have something new come in. I love everything so much. Like, y'all are amazing. Thank you so much. I am so rusty right now. I feel, God, when was the last time I filmed? I think like 3 weeks ago. I've just been doing like shorts, which have been a little sparse, I'm sorry. But like doing more, trying to do more in-depth videos for Instagram, TikTok, and my shorts. It's I don't know. It's just the timing with editing and stuff is that, and I've kind of been in a rut, so I'm just kind of here. But yeah, without rambling too much, I'm going to try my very best to do something. If not, it's not going to be every Sunday like it was being right now. I am going to kind of maybe do maybe every other Sunday for a little bit and then go back to every Sunday. But I am trying really, really hard to get a consistent schedule back. There's just quite a bit going on right now. But yeah. Which shade from the swatches was your favorite? I know I'm a rambling mess. I'm so sorry. I'm going to try very hard to get back into the swing of things. I've just needed a break because trying to do looks for filming isn't really like an issue. Sometimes it is. Like, I just get into a rut and then like having to edit on top of that and then like schedule around the editing. It's just been a lot. I do have some palettes that I do want to make videos with that I've gotten in the last little bit since I've been on a break. So I'm hoping that when I fully come back, I'll be able to do something with all the palettes and everything and it just be like a chill vibe instead of me just being in such a creative rut and just like burnt out. If that makes any sense. I don't know. But I do know that it is now 10 p.m. and I have to be up at like 6 o'clock in the morning because I'm going to do some fun stuff for my brother's birthday. We're going to go out and do some shopping, do some eating, and try to make his birthday, like, exciting. So, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. I'm sorry that I am behind on comments. I'm going to be working on getting back to comments and everything. And I'm sorry that I had to take a break. I just kind of like had to. Otherwise, I think that I would just not make videos anymore. And that's not what I want because I do love making videos. So, I think I have all my rambling out now. So, I want to thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for being here. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch. I appreciate you so much. Sending all of my love. And I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye.